Hello everyone, welcome to these video tutorials about how to create charts in Excel. This time we are going to learn how to create charts that have a trend line. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera, and this is what we're going to do this time. So I have this spreadsheet right here, this very small spreadsheet, and what I like to do, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create right here a trend line. Um, and I hope I'm saying this right. So all I need to do, these type of charts are very good so that we can see that trend of how sales or expenses or how things are going up or down on value or cost. And all we need to create this chart is very simple. All we need is two sets of data. We need a timeline that timeline can be it has to be on chronological order, but it can be on any format you like. It can be months, it can be years, it can be days, it can be whatever you like, as long as it's in chronological order. In this case I have months. And also next to it I need some values right here. In this case I have some revenue. So to do a trend line chart in Excel is very simple. All I have to do is just click right here on any area right here, on any area inside of the continuing range of data of my spreadsheet. I'm going to click right here on insert, and then I'm going to click right here on recommended charts. Okay, very nice. And notice right here, my friends, it's no coincidence that Excel, the first recommendation that is giving me is actually a trend line. So I'm going to select this. Here's my preview. I'm going to click OK. Very nice. And look, I have my trend line right here. The options, like I said, my friends, are pretty much the same, as the other type of charts. Remember that some of the options may or may not be available depending on the chart that you selected, and also some options might be different. For example, right here, I'm going to add some chart elements now. I'm gonna do data table. No, not a data table. I'm gonna use maybe some, I like data labels, and I'm gonna put it right here, whatever I think that will look better. I know they're gonna look a little crowded right now, but we're gonna take care of this problem right here whenever we move this chart to a different sheet, which is what I am accustomed to do with all the charts that I create. I'm gonna see if there's maybe a quick layout or a better chart right here. I think I'm gonna stick. Oh, this is very nice actually. Almost to the same thing I have. Very good. Notice that it also imported that chart title in here. Very nice. I'm gonna select a new design in here. Um, this looks very nice. It adds that gray, the darker background right there. That's very nice. I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna go ahead and move my chart, and I'm gonna call this 2019 revenue. Oh, and I don't know how to spell. And here you go, and I'm gonna move it right there. There you go. Here's my chart. Very nice. I'm gonna make my numbers a little bold. I'm not gonna select any numbers. I'm just gonna go in here, right here to the home tab, and I'm gonna click on bold. That will make my numbers look a little better. Very nice. Look, a very nice, simple, and professional trend line chart. Very nice. Let me see. I have time. Yes. So there is another example right here that I'd like to show you guys. Let me see if I can change. Oh yeah, there's some my variations right here. I click. Let me show you what I click. I click right here on. I click. Oh, keeps popping up. I click right here on design, and then I click right here on chart type, and there is some variations right here. There is one that has some dots in there. Very nice. The dots also make it look a little better. Very nice. Um, so let me show you one more example that I have right here. I'm gonna minimize this, And notice I have this other spreadsheet right here. This one I have not one, but two sources of data, right? Well, it's actually three, but I have two right here, two sets of values right here, revenue and expenses. And I'm gonna create my trend line, okay? And this is a very nice thing because look, I'm gonna go right here, insert. A business can do this. Also, someone who is doing a personal budget and you are doing your monthly expenses look very, very, very nice. Select this. This is my preview right here. This is what it's going to look like. And I can put as many likes as I like. Look, very nice. I'm going to change the type. I'm going to use the one that has some dots in here. Very nice. I'm going to add some data labels. I'm going to put them on the right. And I'm also going to move the chart outside. And I'm going to call these revenue and expenses. Very nice. There you go. Very nice. Look at this. Very, very, very simple. Oops. I'm going to go ahead and put my dots back because I like them. Very good. Very simple, very nice, simple, and professional chart in here. Uh, Notice I shouldn't have this. Let me go back and see if I can select my data. No, it looks like this is correct. Okay, very good. I don't have any blanks in here. No, so that should be correct. Okay, so very nice. Notice that now I have right here, these are my revenue right here, and I have right here my expenses. Our job is going to be hopefully to make sure that this keep this red line as far away as possible from the revenue, and even better, make sure that it doesn't, even worse or better, make sure that it doesn't go above this blue line. Okay, here's my chart title. I guess I can just put right here revenue and and expenses. Very nice. I'm going to apply the same principle. I'm not going to select anything. Go right here, click on bold. Very nice looking, clean cut, professional chart, trend line chart. And look at the legend right here, looks very nice too. Very nice, very nice. All right, my friends, and this is how you guys make trend lines. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you didn't like that video, please don't do anything. Don't click on anything. And I hope to see you guys again in another video. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and bye bye.